Let's go.
Oh, I heard you brought in some
Alright, listen up, y'all. I'm y'all substitute teacher, Mr. Garvey. I taught for 20 years in the inner city, so don't even think about messing with me. Y'all feel me?
Alright.
Alright. Let's take a roll here. Jay Quillen. Where's Jay Quillen at? There's no Jay Quillen here?
You mean Jacqueline?
Okay, so that's how it's gonna be. Y'all wanna play? Alright. I got my eye on you, Jay Quillen. I don't know who's next. Balake. Where's Balake at? There's no Balake here today? Yes, sir.
My name's Blake.
Oh. Are you out of your goddamn mind? Blake. What? Do you want to go to war, Balake? Because we could go to war. I'm for real. I'm for real. So you better check yourself. Is there a D-nice? If one of y'all says some silly dang name, this whole class is gonna feel my wrath. Now, D-nice.
Do you mean Denise?
Son of a bitch! You say your name right now. That's better, thank you. Aaron. Now, Aaron, where are you? Aaron, you better be sick, dead, or mute. Aaron.
Here? Because it's pronounced Aaron.
Son of a bitch! You done messed up, Aaron. Now take yourself down to Oshak Kennedy's office right now and tell him exactly what you did. Get out of my goddamn class before I break my foot up in your butt. Insubordinate and churlish.
Stop.
Timothy.
Present.